Lots of people are drawn to the stock market and trading and investing because they want to generate some additional cash flow. Not everyone wants to just jump into this head over heels and quit their job. In fact, most people, because they have jobs or because they might be retired or have some other type of occupation that they enjoy, they really shouldn't be focusing on becoming a full-time trader. I made a list of the top 3 things that I think are crucially important to consider when you start looking at the stock market to generate some supplemental income from it, whether it's supplemental income to your retirement or supplemental income to your job. Let's have a look. Number 1 on my list is to be realistic with your time availability. I think a lot of people overestimate how much time they have to actually look at the stock market. Now, I'm a big advocate of sort of promoting the 45 minutes a day to keep the doctor away type of approach, which is to say that you look at the stock market a couple times a day, but in total, maybe for not much more than 45 minutes or an hour a day. So you gotta be realistic about your time availability. Like I said before, for the most part, most people do have some other occupation, again, whether that's a job or they're retired or, you know, it could be 1,000 other kind of things. So you gotta be realistic, but I think 45 minutes a day to an hour a day or so is realistic to generate supplemental income from the stock market. Number 2 is to, once you've understood how much time you actually have each day, realistically, and you do have about 45 minutes a day, I do think that's a requirement, then you gotta find a strategy. And so what I've built up over the years is an arsenal of different courses and strategies that are specifically tailored to this type of approach of generating supplemental income primarily, at least in the beginning, from the stock market. So these are strategies that are as simple as trend following, options, credit selling strategies, and even some things that are a little bit quicker and require you to have a little bit more of a quicker finger on the trigger. They're all available on my products page if you guys want to check that out. You can click down below in the comments section. There's a link to the products and you can look at different courses. The Options Income Secrets course is one that's very popular for people who like to trade options. A lot of people come into this and they think that a quick fix day trading strategy is going to be what allows them to generate not only supplemental cash or supplemental income, but also ultimately is sort of their key to, you know, all sorts of wealth and freedom. Now, I don't want to badmouth day trading too much, but I have yet to meet a day trader, and I've done this now for 20 years, who is making money from a sole day trading strategy. I know a lot of folks that make a lot of money in the stock market and trading, but none of them are pure day traders. So what's important for me here as point 3 on this list is for you to understand to not fall into this trap of day trading. Day trading as a supplemental strategy to a supplemental income strategy is okay, but a pure day trading approach is, for the most part, A, very difficult to implement. 2, it requires a lot of time that most people don't have and or don't want to spend. And so it really is, there are much easier ways of making money in the stock market. So to sum it all up, can you make money? Can you make supplemental income from the stock market? The answer is an absolute yes. But you gotta be realistic about how much time you have. You have to have the right type of strategy, and you want to make sure you don't fall into a hectic day trading strategy thinking you might be able to squeeze in day trades here and there while doing your job. You need the right strategy. Have a look down on the link down below to see what kind of courses I have that may or be of interest to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.